Okay, guys, Cardi and Cardi here, guys, with part 2 of this video. Yeah, I was just wondering. I have a very bright light here, guys. I hope it's not bothering you guys, but yeah. So let's go ahead with this repair because I was planning on doing it tomorrow, but says let me try to at least put in these. So what I'm going to do now is, I was planning on doing this from this side, come down. I don't put in the gate results yet, guys. Reason being, I have a little way of how I'm going to do this. Right. There's some reason why I'm doing it this way, guys. Reason being because I'm gonna have to get rid of this trace so this thing can sit flat. Yep, that trace burnt off. So right, here's one of the gateways, guys. I'm going to solder it right to the pin. I'm gonna solder it right to the transistor, guys. Yeah, because the way the circuit burned, yeah, it really burned out the trace, and plus these gateways are a little bigger than the one that was inside of it, so that would make perfect sense for me to do it that way. So I'm going to show you guys what I did when I do it. So come back here some. Oh my word, now come on. Jeez. Right. Turn it around. Good. Oh. Okay, I'm at. Good. Alright, that's good right there. Yes, guys, so let's install some transistor now and gate resistors at the same time. Okay. And there's a gate resistor here that didn't get removed for some reason. I removed all the old one and I just left one right here for some reason. Right. So that. Hold on. Scrape the circuit clean right here. I try to clean this up real good, guys, because I'm going to solder this right now. Put this one in first just in case something, because of the way it is. I'm gonna have to solder it from a different angle. Yes, guys. Yeah, this one's gonna solder from a different angle, so yep. I should be using this one. I should use the pointy one. Come on. That one give you right. And those are 10 ohm resistors, guys. Gate resistor 10 ohms. And these it says 10. It says 10R0, but on the one I took out it says 100. So yeah, so you know how to do the math right there. 100 equal 10. If you see them come with the 100, the number on it, if the number says 100, that means it's at 10 ohms. Yeah, and if it says 1000, that means it's 100 ohms. Yes, guys. And if it says 101, that means it's a 1K. Yes, guys. And if it says 103, that means it's a 10K. So you guys get it just right there. Yep. So now this transistor first. Yeah, this board take a lot of stuff because it's double-sided, because this is really hot and I don't know why it's acting like it doesn't want to solder sometimes. Acting like, sure. Wow, this one magnet now, man, I tell you. Thing get magnetized in time you're ready to work. Everything I think. Right. Oh yeah, I got that to hold it down really perfect. So you just go here, guys, and take your time. Don't go crazy with the solder. You might make a nasty solder work, Thing nice and clean. Everything. Yep. Okay, I was just wondering if I'm recording. Wasn't sure. Tum tum. Alright. That side there. I'll put one of these in. Whichever way you guys wanna do it. I'm doing it this way while I go with this amplifier. Some amplifier I have to do it the other way around, guys. Like why I did do it first. I have to solder one. I'm skipping one here. I think there's a mosquito on my feet or something. And these guys are the 1404 transistor. These guys are ARF 1404. These are the, yep. Guys, these are the replacement for the H1. And most of these Brazilian types. Yeah, this is the clone of the Brazilian circuit, guys. So yeah, it's most likely a clone of the sound digital, but not fully. Not fully. But it's the Brazilian type circuit board, guys. So yeah, that's a lot of company are using now. A lot. Yep. Yep. Oh yeah. Very good. Now you flip. Ready there. Okay. 10 ohm resistors. Guys, 10 ohms resistor installing in this have here. Oh my words. Once I'm stop flipping around. Flipping things just flipping around. Okay. Okay, and that's the last one in this on this side. So I decided to give some trouble. Alright. Alright guys. Yep. This looks good right here now. Yeah. Go through. Make sure you don't have any solder bridge nowhere. Okay. Alright. Yes guys, let me show you. Come on. Alright, that side is finished guys. Yeah, as you guys can see. Yep. So now to this side here. On the flip side. Okay. Some of these pinhole is not clean enough. So let me leave. Wow, really? Alright, I know what I'm going to do. Nothing a little. Alright. Alright, that's good enough right there. See where you get it guys, that's what you need to solder. If it doesn't, put the MOSFET in and solder the rest and it will go down. So yeah. Come on, some. Trying to let you guys see as best as you can from the angle I'm working. Yes, guys. So 10 ohm gate resistor, guys. Yep. Alright, guys. Oh, yeah, come on. Jeez. I got it just now. Uh-oh. Come on the flip side. Good. 1404. Transistor here. Yes, guys. 1404. You try. Line these up straight. Get this one right here. Alrighty then. Yes, sir. Yes. Another one. This is another one now. 1404. Then another 10 ohm resistor. Okay. You know. Oh, whoa, look at gate resistors falling out all over the place now. What the heck? Come on. Come on. All right. Here. And one more here. So, come on. Yep. This is the last MOSFET going in now. Okay. Okay, USA. Okay. Alright, so guys, we're good now with the installation of these MOSFET. Alright, let me, this little loose one goes in the tray. Yes guys, clean away the excess flux so you can see what's going on with the circuit board. Whoa, something got in my hand. Okay. The capacitor down here. Hooking up, not burnt. Alright, let's go on behind here, guys. Let's go here. Hold on, stop that thing right on my phone. I think that's the alarm. It comes up on the phone, really. That dumb little alarm. I hope it doesn't affect my audio or anything. The phone is on no disturb mode and the damn alarm comes on. What I tell you. Okay, wow. Yes, guys, I was just flipping this thing down. Like this, the middle pin. Yes, guys, this make really good trace right there. It's outside the wire. And this one that I use, guys, it's buy this one at place here in Skycraft, guys. Yeah, electronics place and sell a bunch of stuff, guys. I'm telling you, a lot of old school stuff too. Skycraft, yeah, they're good, really good, guys. So check them out. It's a circuit board too, guys. Some people call it breadboard. Yeah, you can do your own electronics project, school project, or whatever. Yeah, check out Skycraft. They're good. And they have capacitors and stuff like that in case you want to make circuit or something. Yeah, transistors. Yeah, but they don't carry a lot of MOSFET transistors though, like IRB and those stuff. No, most like some old school ones. Yeah, are the basic one, use back in the days and stuff like that. Not a lot of the modern days MOSFETs and transistors. They don't do a lot of those. But they do have a lot of stuff, guys. That you would be amazed they still have these people. Yep. That's what I'm doing here now. Even if a trace was burnt off for that middle pin, oh yeah, that thing's reattached. Believe me, because of the way I'm doing this now. Alright, turn this up a bit. This area is acting stubborn. Okay, we get in there, guys. Maybe I might not pour it up. I'll do that when I'm doing the bench test or yes, guys. Part 3 of this have to be make. If I do this, guys, so I said, yeah, just get this part over with, and then, you know, part should be the testing of it, and if there's anything else, I'll let you know. But I know this should be okay, guys, believe me. From what I tested and everything, yeah, this should be okay. Hold on a minute. I have some work to do over here. Some of these really look too long to me. Let me just click them off. They could go, guys, because they have taller, much taller solder work in here than this. But I like to make these looks really nice and clean and neat. Yeah, some of these legs come through a little bit more than they should. Right, so go ahead with this again, guys. Do some this work here. As I said, yeah. Make sure you go between the legs and everything. Go between everywhere and check around. Make sure there's no solder bridge. Okay. Huh, I left one out, really. Look at this, guys. I left one right here. Wow. This is fine like on 12 cylinder. Jesus. This is hot. Let me turn this down now because I don't think I'm going to be using it for the rest of the night. Maybe, maybe not. Well, let me turn it down. Yeah, and as I said before, guys, sorry if it's too bright, but I did have to do this. Make sure the fluorescent I use is getting really. I'm looking for a special bulb for it and I can't find it. I need a brighter one. Not too bright, but brighter than this one. This one is going out because it's on every night. Right through the night, it's on in the garage. So yeah, you could see it's like when you're using it, you could see the difference like from before. Yep. Yep. Yes, guys, when I do this, guys, I still go and clean the board differently with alcohol and stuff like that. So I'm just doing this little part just to make you see, guys. Like, right, it's up here. All those are the outputs. They didn't do nothing up here. Hope I don't have to. How long I've been recording now, guys? Let's see. 29. Okay. Almost there, guys. So, yep. Guys, as you can see, again, with this light, this parts come like this, showing a little bit better. Yes, guys, that's it for that side here. Yep. The other side is here. Give you guys a little look at it, this too. As you guys see, I do the resistance across from there. Yeah. That way, it's better. Plus, a lot of the circuits here, the piece of it breaking off right here too. Oh, yeah. It's a good thing I do the resistors like that. gate resistors. Yep. I know that about it, guys. This amplifier should be playing, but you know, yes, guys, I changed all the gate resistors. I didn't change this 10K there. It's okay. I'm not bothered to change that. Yeah, that would be okay. That's normally okay. Don't think I gotta do anything else to this board, guys. But this is it, guys. So anything else would be the bench test, guys, and stuff like that, and go over it and check everything else, like these little inductor right here. It says L5, and then you have here L4. Yeah, those are good. So resistor out here is a 10 ohm resistor. And you could put a heat resistor here, maybe. Yeah, cause this one looks. No, this, yeah. This I'm gonna upgrade on this, guys. I'm gonna put a bigger one right here. Bigger 10 ohm resistor. Yeah. Give me a minute, guys. Let me get one. Let me pause this. Yes, guys. So back to it. And I bet they would put. Hold on. Let me see. Turn this up a bit. I bet if I check if this board would mark, guys, they would say it's a 5 watt. But I'm replacing it, guys, because this got really hot when they're playing. I really upgrade on them, guys. Whenever I see these, really, no, come on. Okay. It leave a little hole, that's good. Right. Oh, it fell right out. Look at this, guys. Look at this compared to this. Look at the sizes, guys. Look. See that, guys? You see that? Put it in my hands so you guys can see the difference. Yep. 10 ohms, brown, black, black, brown, black, black, 10 ohms, guys. Oh, this board use a lot of 10 ohms resistors. Oh yeah, that's for sure. All the gate is 10 ohms. So 10 ohms is their stuff. It's not bad, that's good. Ooh, come on, someone. We'll make a mess now. Ooh, come on. Right. One from here. Let's see. That one is good. Alright. So I'm gonna do this one now, guys. Put some side at the base here. Yep. And you push it right down to where you need it, guys. Not going to let it sit on the board, guys. That one was close to the board. I'm gonna let this sit a little bit higher. Alright, so come in like this with this. Yep. Yeah. So you make it sit like that, guys. See the space bit? Oh, you guys can see it from this side. Yeah. You see it sit, guys? Like space underneath. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know, guys. When this amplifier playing, I hate stuff that get really hot when amplifiers playing. Even though, you know, they should some, but I know those resistor they get hot, guys. Like, oh yeah, I know that. So that's why I chose to replace it, guys. Yep. Right, perfect. See, guys, it's really good in the circuit board now. All right, guys. So please like, subscribe if you like what you see, guys. And part three is coming up. I'll let you guys know. You know, you guys will see what's going on. You know, and stuff like that. So that's it for now, guys. Please like, subscribe if you like what you see. And part three is coming up where I do the bench test, and you know, we go on from there. All right, guys. So thank you, guys, again. Please like, subscribe. All right.